Hi everyone. We're going to be looking at the production possibility frontier. And it's a curve that's set up to show us how we utilize our resources. And when we look at our resources, we have to assume if we own a factory, we're going to be producing between two specific goods. And what we're going to look at in this example is Tesla. Either its original model or its new model. Okay? If you look at this curve right here, this curve will be given by this table. So the table presents us what we're looking at. So if we look at the table, we're looking at different combinations of where we can produce at, and if we're going to be producing either the original model or the Model 3. So if we look at point A, at point A you notice we're producing 80 of the original model and 0 of Model 3. Now if we put all of our resources in the production of Model 3, we're going to produce 80 Model 3s and 0 original models. This line right here, the line A, B, C, D, and E, is looking at our maximum efficiency utilizing all of our resources. So if I own our factory and I'm trying to figure out where the best to produce at, you want to produce using all of your resources. Now society dictates where we're going to produce on that line. So a lot of students come up and will say, oh, the best point to produce at is point C, which is incorrect because society dictates what they want. So if society wants more of original models, we're going to produce more over here at A, B. If they want more of the Model 3, more over here at the C, D, E line. Now, point G is when we're producing outside of our potential. And why are we producing outside of our potential when we can't actually obtain point G? The reason we can't obtain point G is because we don't have enough resources. Given that we're lacking enough resources, we're struggling to produce at point G. Now, we can produce anywhere inside this graph right here. And if we look, there's a point F right here. Now, at point F, you'll notice we're inside the production possibility frontier. That is classified as inefficient, or another term we look at is unemployed resources. So unemployment exists. It's a point where we're not producing at our maximum capacity and we're below our potential. So if we're looking at this, you want to produce anywhere on that line. So this video was just a short video just to illustrate the components of the production possibility frontier and where we're able to produce at and we're not able to produce at.